Hi everyone, welcome to Hard Tech. My name is Sam. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Also, I have a lot of other Excel tips. If you want to know more about Excel, please check out my channel. There's a library that says Excel tips, so please check them out. They're very useful. I also have libraries for a bunch of other things. You can also check them out if you're interested in them. But let's get into this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to get rid of the empty cells or blank cells. So just assume that you have a very long list. Instead of 42 rows, you have 420 rows of a column, and you have a lot of blank cells in between, and you want to get rid of them. One way to do it would be to go individually and then click on it and then delete it. But the the trick I'm showing you today could be very helpful. You can do them in like a minute or so, or maybe less than that. So what all you have to do is just select the column, and then you go to find and replace. You just click on that. So you get the drop down here. You go to special. In the special, you see a bunch of things. So we have to select here is blanks. We select blanks, and then click OK. So here now it's selected all the blank cells for us. So if you have a long list and you wanna, it will select all of them for you. All you have to do is just select the column, go to find and select, and then it will select out the blank cells for you. And after this, you go here. So it says cells, it says delete. So you click on that, and then you see delete cells. You click on that, and then here you see a little pop-up where it gives you a bunch of options. So it says shift cell left, shift cells up, entire row, or entire column. But we have to shift cells up. So all we are doing is that we are saying that if the cell is deleted, the bottom cell should go and replace the top cell. So select that, click OK, and here we go. So all the empty cells are deleted, and now we have 34 records instead of 42, because before we had 42 records. But some of them were empty, and now the empties are gone and 34s are only left. So this is a very easy way to delete empty cells from a column that you are not interested in, instead of going on to one by one and deleting them. So thank you for watching this video. Please write in the comment below if you have any recommendation or anything you would like me to cover. I'll be more than happy to do it. Also, please like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It will help me grow my channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.